Here's some simple tips to make your spreadsheets easier to read. One of the glaring problems of spreadsheets when we use them 8 hours, 10 hours a day is that they are black and white, meaning it's black text and white background. And this, over time, could actually deteriorate our eyes or actually strain our eyes in the short term. So here's a few tips to make our sheets easier to read. First off, I'm going to select the entire spreadsheet just by selecting the area between A and 1 over here on the left. And then I'm going to change our background, or our fill color, to a custom color. And this can be FB, FB, F8. This looks very similar to white, but it's not. It's actually a very paperish color. And the key here is to also change our text color. And we're going to change our text color to 444. Click OK. Now, this doesn't look like a huge difference, but you will feel it. This is much less contrast than any black and white. We can bold our header, and one last thing we're going to do is change our font to Quicksand. Now, if you don't have Quicksand in your recent, you just have to scroll through all the way to Q. I know it's very far into the alphabet, but Quicksand is the nicest text I have ever found. The other options I've found are Comforta and also Comic Sans. I'm just kidding, not Comic Sans. But Quicksand is going to be a really nice text. It's going to make your spreadsheets way nicer and easier to read. And once you use it, it will be in your recents. Get out of here, Comic Sans. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.